In this video, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can buy your KPLC tokens using M-PESA. I'm going to show you two ways using the M-PESA app and the normal way without using the M-PESA app. First, ensure that you have the M-PESA app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and you can download it. It's free and it's so easy to use, and that's why I'm using this as the first method. Once you install it, set up your account and then go to this section called Pay. Once you click on Pay, you're going to go and click Pay Bill. And once you click on Pay Bill, scroll down and you will see a very large list of accounts that you can pay for or bills that you can pay. There's KPLC, there's PayPal, there's Showmax, there's Water, anything that you want. So you're going to click on KPLC Prepaid, and then you're going to fill your account number. Your account number is written on your token, or you can just find out what your account number is. Once you fill up your account number, you're going to enter the amount that you want to buy. Once you enter the amount, you're going to click on Continue, and then finally you're going to click on Pay Bill once you confirm your account number is correct. And that's it. After some minutes, you'll receive a message from KPLC with your token number. If you don't have the M-PESA app, you can go over to M-PESA and then click on Lipa na M-PESA and then click on Pay Bill. Then you can enter the business number, which ni hizo 85 na 01 hapo mwisho. Then you type in your account number and then enter the amount and your PIN, and then KPLC will send you a message that you've paid your token and you'll get your token number. I hope this video has helped you, and if you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe and leave a like and comment on any other tutorial you'd love to see me do. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out. Peace.